Hello, hello, hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my playthrough, walkthrough, let's play thing of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Okay, last time we were together, we were actually going to do one of the main missions, so let's start this. Let's do this. War plans, kill the Templar Overseer to recover a map showing the location of one of Leonardo's war machines. Okie dokie. Let's do it. What did that say about full synchronization? Send the mercenaries into a fight. Send the mercenaries? Okay, what, my mercenaries? Okay, cool, I can do that. I can do that. Let's send some mercenaries into a fight. Where are the mercenaries? Oh, there they are. How you doing, buddy? Let's go. Come on. Let's do this. Press Y to command a hired group to stop, to follow, or to stop. Are they following me? They are. Cool. Excellent. Let's do this. Come on, guys. Let's freaking fight. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, kaboom! Oh, I got the double blades. I love the double blades. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so that's the Overseer. It's fine. I've got this. I've got this. And kaboom. Oi, oi, what are you doing? Attack me, you douche. Oh, ho, 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 there goes the Overseer. Kicked his ass. He had no idea what was about to happen to him. I win. What's he doing? Map retrieved from Overseer, War Machine location on your map. So where's the War Machine? The War Machine is somewhere. Press RB, go in combat, upgraded. Assassin recruits can employ... Ooh, they can employ smoke bombs. Cool. Okay, so where am I going now? Next up is... There's a viewpoint and a something. No, that was the viewpoint from before, wasn't it? So I might as well go over here. It's the closest. That makes a small amount of sense. A small, tiny amount of sense. Okay, where is it? Where are these war machines? Oh, are we going outside? We can't do that. We're not allowed to go outside. But this is all said in Rome. Oh no, I think we're going somewhere else. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh no. Oh wait, no, okay, I think this is a mission. War Machine, Colli Albani. So what, is this entire village a war machine? Is that what it's telling me? You must kill everyone. Outgunned. Leonardo's design has resulted in a machine capable of cutting down 100 men in a mere second. That's a Gatling gun, isn't it? Okay, it cannot be left in the hands of the bourgeois. Do not kill anybody before destroying the blueprints. Okay. Good. Go. Okay, go, 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 go. We need to do this sneakily. Are there going to be guys... Oh, fuck. What? Being detected will cause desynchronization. What? That's not fair. Okay, cool. I can do it without being detected, I think. Or probably not. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, and I've been desynchronized. God damn you, you damn dirty ape. Well, that's me over and done with, isn't it? See, I'm really not good at these missions where I get desynchronized if I'm detected. I know this is a stealth game, I play as an assassin, but I'm just not good at stealth. I never have been, I'm really bad at it. Like, in fact, I would go so far as to say I'm terrible. Right, as long as we keep an eye out for all of the guys, then we should be okay. Okay, cool. Right, no, no, there we go. Go, 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 we're fine. Oh, where's the next guy? Where is he? Aha! Oh, okay, there we go. Can we go up here? No, we can't. Shit. We're gonna be spotted. Okay, right. Is there a guy around? Ah, shit, there's a guy. There's a guy. Doesn't look happy. Oh, 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 target located. Right, so destroy the war machine blueprints. Okay, good. Right, I'm up. Excellent. Go a little bit higher. Where are the war machine blueprints? Right, mission, steal a relic. Steal a relic? Oh, right, okay, that's my actual missions. Right, where are they? Where are they? They're down there somewhere. Okay, so they're not in that building. They are there. So where's the guy? There's the guy. He knows I'm here. Yep, no, 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 he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Okay, cool. Right, got him. Got him. Interact. Oh, look at that. We've done it. We've destroyed the blueprints. Burn, bitch, burn. Right, destroy Leonardo's war machine now. Again. Oh my god, I'm going to be detected. Oh shit, oh shit. Being detected will result in desynchronization. But that guy, he's going to come roaming around, isn't he? He's going to walk around the back. Is he? Oh, there's a guard. What's he doing? What's he doing? Keeping an eye on that guy just because he's going to cause trouble for me, I know it. He's going to desynchronize this. Okay, go, 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 go before he comes around. Okay, we've made it. We're good. Right, so how do I destroy his war machine without being detected? Because there's lots of guys down there. Okay, okay, where is it? Where's his war machine? There's his war machine. Okay, how am I going to go about doing this? Right, sneaky, sneaky, my friend, sneaky, sneaky. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, look at that. I think we've done it. Now we run. Now, just run away. Run. Holy shit, run away, run away. That's good enough. Detection is now permitted. Kaboom. Come on, kaboom. Go, 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 kaboom. What? What? What do you mean desynchronized? But I reached the thing. It's a... what? What kind of gibberish is done? Oh, I don't like it. Oh, okay, cool. Right, there we go. Ah, I see. So it's going to be one hell of an explosion. Fair enough. Go, run away, run away. Okay, we've made it. Kaboom. Kaboom. That was loud. What the hell is that? Oh my god, there's another one. No, 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 you don't. Where are you going? Get back here. Stop the fleeing war machine. Okay, okay. It's cool, I can get it. Oh, bugger. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's shooting at me. Stop it. It's a bloody gun. Oh no. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. That's not fair. I am galloping. I think. Am I? Yeah, I am galloping. It's cool, man. It's cool. Jesus Christ. He's a pretty bad shot, I'll grant him that. At least he's a terror. Why can we never find anyone that can shoot straight? I'm not sure. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. We've got this. Jump, jump, my horsey. Right, where are we going? Where are we going? Where is this war machine? Okay, okay, okay. Ah, it's still miles in front of us. Come on, Ezio, be a boss. Oh, look at him. He's a boss. Well done. Nice. Okay, so where are we taking this? Surely we should destroy it? Or are we taking... oh, escape with the war machine. So, is the war machine going to be, like, helping us now? Because if it is, that's awesome. We have a cannon. Or a Gatling gun. Oh, shit. What's that? What's that? What's that? A big fight. Oh, my God. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Ow! Okay, time to heal. Right, what do I need to do? Can I... what's that? What's going on? Can I ram it? Okay, I can ram it. Excellent. Cool. Good to know. Go, 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 go. What are you doing? What are you doing? You be shooting me.
Very smart, aren't they?
Ooh. Okay, how do I use... oh, wow, look at that. Oh, there we go. It is a Gatling gun. Well, it's sort of a Gatling gun. Got him. Oh, 2 in 1. Kaboom. And kaboom. Got him. No, no, no. There we go. What are you doing? Bad man. So it can hit 2 in 1 go. That's pretty cool. Oi. No. Shit. Jesus Christ. There we go. And number 3. I win. Anyone else? That's a lot of guys. This war machine is pretty special to them, it seems. So, if Leonardo... oh my god! Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, that was sketchy. Oh god, really? Right, there we go. Right, stop it. Coming on thick and fast now. Oh, shit. Oh, ow. Thank God I have some health. Got him. Okay, I'm winning. Right, where's the next guys? Oh, shit. There's so many of them. Alright. Leave me alone. Oh my god, I'm going to get shot. It's fine, though. I can take a couple of bullets. Just a few, though. Not many. Right, where are we going with this war machine, and how do the horses know which way we're going? Right, there we go. Last but not least, there we win. We win. Anyone else? Holy crap! Why is nobody driving? Oh, kaboom! And what about that? Oh, look at that! And another one. We're blowing everybody up. detonate. No, I can't hit it from there. What a shame.
Many of you are there.
I was just thinking the same thing, Ezio. The Borgia have a nearly unlimited amount of soldiers, don't they? It's quite ridiculous. Hey, no, shit.
Nice try.
Indeed it was. Alright, stop it. No, you're shooting me. Bad man. Gotcha. Last one. Got him. There we go. No, got it. Kill.
Many
Cool.
of these things are there.
I've got this. Fucking God. Oh, no. Ah. I don't want to be shot. I'm too pretty.
Go home.
If I take one more hit, I'm going to die.
You will die.
Okay, I think I've managed to do it without dying. It's cool.
Il mondo è migliore.
Ah, but we could have used that. Do not kill anybody just before destroying the blueprints. Indeed, I didn't. Outgunned. So, does that mean I was outgunned, or they were outgunned, or... Actually, I suppose it counts a little bit of both. We were outgunned, and then they were outgunned. So, everybody was happy. Everybody laughing. Hold X while in combat to perform a special attack. Special attack? Special? What? Okay, War Machine Overseers located. So there's more War Machines. Oh my God. How many are there? Destroy all Leonardo's war machines to save the citizens of Italy from Caesar's army and give Leonardo the time to design something to aid in your combat. Right. I need to destroy a Borgia tower, don't I? Because the Borgia still reign over this place. So, can I go over here yet? Like, I'm getting a little bit fed up of not being able to go over there. What's that? What's that? What's that? Are there any shops around here that I can buy? Yeah, where is my horse? A horse! Where are you? There you are. Right. Thank you. Appreciate your cooperation in this matter. So is every mission now just going to be destroy the Overseer, kill the War Machine, destroy the Overseer, kill the War Machine, destroy the Overseer, kill the War Machine? Whoa. Or am I just thinking way too much into it? No, probably not. What do we got? What do we got on the map? Oh, okay, so the L's are the War Machines, and then the main missions are... Okay, so we've got a mission over there, and we have a War Machine. So let's go kill ourselves a War Machine. If we've got to do it, then we got to do it. Got to do what you got to do. And it turns out that this is what we got to do. Also, if we see a pigeon coop on the way, I think I need to send out a few more of my assassins. Because they've probably finished all of their quests by now. You'd think? You'd think they would. You know, I think the longest one was like 8 minutes or something like that. I might send them all out on like a really big one. On like a massively big quest. Just because I can. You know, like one of the 5-star quests. But only if I can guarantee 100% success. I'm not going to send them out any less than that. Because I'm not going to be toying with the lives of my men. No, that's not how I roll. God, no. Okay. Did it. So what would thieves do to me? Like, if I hired the thieves, would they be all thievery for me and give me money? Maybe? If they steal it for me, then we get more money. Oh, wait. I need some healing potions. Hey dude, how you doing? I'm going to get myself some potions if you don't mind. Apothecary, medicine, thank you very much. I'll be having that. And is there anything I can sell to you? Yes, there is. Rabbit's foot. I don't need one of them. I don't need a terracotta pot. And I don't need a totem. There you go. Enjoy, my friend. Enjoy. It's all for you. You can do whatever you want with it. Just don't tell me if it's creepy. Because I really don't want to know. Okay. Mission. War plans. Kill the Overseer to recover a map showing the location. Yes. Use a smoke bomb to stun the Overseers. Use a smoke bomb? I have smoke bombs? Actually, no, I do have smoke bombs, don't I? Okay, well, let's use smoke bombs. Where is the smoke bombs? Nope, that's money. I don't have any smoke bombs here. Oh, no. Oh, wait. I could hire my recruits. They have smoke bombs, right? Okay, shall I hire the recruits? Come on, guys. Let's do this. Yep, go on, attack them. Do it, it'll be funny. Go on, kill them all. Go on, look at that. Oh, well done. Oh, did he kill him? Nice. That's quite impressive. Oh, okay, they're going to die. They're going to die if I don't help them. Oh, wait. No. And you. Wait, what are you doing? Come on, someone attack me. Attack me. There we go. Now, I think one of my full synchronization failed. Ah, what a shame. Okay, well that's good. I've managed to do that. So, aha! Where is the war machine? Is it outside then? Oh, pigeon coop. Yeah, it's a pigeon coop. We can use out a pigeon coop. Right, so I think I have got to go outside again. So the mission is probably going to be the exact same as the last one. Destroy the thing, run away, ride in it, and kill it. Defend a merchant was completely successful. No, I don't want to skip. I don't want to read them all. I have no need. Okay, you can upgrade an armor. Level 3 and level 2. Well done, my... Oh, wait, no, it's level 3 as well. Armor. There we go. And what about you? You can go in weapons. I might as well level them up sort of equal. So, you know, they don't feel outdone by their assassin friends. Because, you know, the assassins, they're very sort of peer pressury. They're going to be in the Assassin's Guild like, yeah, you don't have as better stuff as I do. Okay, right. 1 contract available. What's that? Difficulty 1. Is that... That's not in... That's, okay. Ah, a level 3 can do a difficulty 2 on his own. Sweet. There we go. Enjoy that, buddy. What have we got in Venice? Oh, that's big. Defend Onorea Torello. Right, let's not do that yet. Let's leave them for later. Alright, what's that? Start a riot. There seems to be... Oh, what's that? Attend a banquet. Okay, you can attend a banquet. Let's send a level 2 after the banquet. Enjoy that, my friend. And oh, what's that? Let's damage a property. Okay, I'll send another level 2 at that because, you know, why not? Wait. There we go. Success. And what's that? Steel weapons. No, that's level 3. I don't want to do that yet. Level 1. Assault a merchant. See, now, I probably should be using my assassins to do the lower, you know, the higher level ones, and then the new assassins to do the lower level ones. But I think I'm running out of missions. Okay, let's do that. Do that. Level 3. You can do that. 100%. We're done. We've got something there. What else we got? We got London. 2 contacts available. There we go. You can go that one. Enjoy. And what else we got? Oh wait, what else do we have in London? I think we had one in London. Right. Calcutta or whatever that is. Lisbon. No, that's very big. And defend a politician. Who's going to go to that? Do you want to do that one? Yeah, you can do that. It's fine. Enjoy it. Getting all of my guys to enjoy their missions. Go on, you know, have a bit of fun. It's all a bit of a laugh. Have a bit of crack. Alright, level 3 and Cologne. What's that? Difficulty. Wow, that's very high difficulty. But I've got 1 more assassin ready. So, shall I send him out to do a low level one? London. There. Frame an enemy spy. Okay. If I've only got 1 more left. There we go. He can do that. Excellent. Slowly but surely doing all of the missions. Do I run out of missions eventually? Can I do them all? Is that possible? Or do they just get harder and harder and harder and harder and harder until, you know, you've got like hundreds of them at level 5? That'd be cool, but obviously I need assassins which are also level 5. It would make sense. Escaping from a chase. During a chase, guards who cannot see you are undefined. Yes, I know that. Thank you for telling me. I appreciate your cooperation in this matter. Balnearia. Bomber. Right. Bomber? So is this a different weapon? Or is this the same kind of war machine? Have we got to destroy the blueprints without being detected? Do not get shot while using the bomber. Leonardo has... Ah, it's the flying machine. And he's giving it a light cannon. Okay, cool. Locate the architect of the bomber. Do I need to worry about getting, like, you know, desynchronized? What's that? That's hey. Oh, being detected will cause desynchronization. Damn it. Right, so he's not around here anywhere. Let's go this way. Oh. I think they know I'm here. No, it's fine. They don't know I'm here. These guys seem to, like, don't want to look up, ever. Where the hell is the architect? Architect, where are you, buddy? That's what I'm doing. The game's telling me it's like, use Eagle Vision to differentiate between the somethings. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Thank you for telling me. Target oh, where? I didn't locate him. Where? I didn't see him. He's not on my map. Okay, where? Ah, right. Ah, he's over there. Cool. Follow the architect to reduce distance to the target. I didn't even get anywhere near him, for God's sake. Okay, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Okay, okay, I can see him. It's cool. It's cool. We've got this. There he is. So follow him to a secluded place. So how secluded are we talking here? Are we talking like middle of nowhere or what? Shit, 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 shit. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. There's no guards. Whew. Right, where's the secluded place? There it is. There's a secluded place. Beat up the architect to discover the locations. So let's not kill him. Let's just beat him up. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to beat you up. I'm going to kick the crap out of you. Aha, there we go. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Right. Give me the locations. Get up. I'm not done with you.
Give me the plans. No, I will not.
Yes, you will.
Stop! Stop! Where are the plans? Past the guards. In my house. It is the last one. And the machine. In the tower. On top of the fortress.
That's pretty easy. He's going to go and tell the guards now, isn't he? Shit. Yep, I'm notorious. Oh, dear. Will I still get desynced if they find me? Shit. Okay, let's go up here. Oh, no. I want to go up there. Okay, there we go. We're up. So, will desyncing still something me? Do you reckon we can... no. No. Let's try that again. I'm pretty sure I could make that jump. That doesn't seem that hard. Like if I'd run and jump off this, press the B button, I reckon I could do that. Oh, look at that. Well done. Excellent. And go. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm okay. Okay, everything's fine. Right, where's his house? There's that. That's not a guard. Go. Okay, I've made it. Interact. Burn, bitch. Burn. I win. Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Reach the bomber. Where's the bomber? Where is it? There's guards over there. Let's go. Can we go up here? Can we... No. Oh my god. Oh my god, he knows I'm here. He sees me. Oh crap. Oh, look at it, it's a crapple. Right, how am I going to get... what's he doing? What's he doing? He's following me. Yep, he's following me. He's a shifty little monkey, isn't he? It's cool. It's cool. He doesn't know I'm here. Do you reckon... Oh my god. What happens if I... Oh no! No, it's a bloody... It's the dude. Shit. Do you reckon we could just run past him? Ah, desynchronize, alerted the guards. How am I supposed to get past that? Do I need to... If I possibly kill a guy? Because killing a guard, or killing a person, does tend to alert the guards, doesn't it? So if I kill somebody, then maybe, just maybe... Right, okay, that guard knows I'm here. There's two guards, one over there, one over there. So yeah, being detected will something to something. But how do I go about getting over there without being detected? I'm going to have to go round, aren't I? Am I? Possibly. No, I don't know. I don't think I can go round. What's that? What is that? That's a fire. Okay, cool. There's a fire. Hey. Oh, wait. So I'll be flying out. Sweet. Right, there's lots of guards up there as well. There's no guards there. Okay. How is this possible without alerting the guards? Okay, it doesn't say anything about killing guards, so I should be able to kill them till my heart's content. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, you son of a bitch. No. Oh, I alerted the guards again. How am I going to do this one? Do I need to go all the way around the back? Why do I need to worry about alerting the guards? Surely I can just like run in, kill them all, grab the bomber, bish bash bosh, and I'm done and I escape. That'd be the easiest way. Okay. What is this guard doing? That guard is keeping on high alert. Do you reckon I can kill him? There we go. Okay, he's dead. Terribly sorry about that. Okay, go. Run. Okay, we've made it. Right, I think... Jesus Christ, that's a lot of guards. But there is a ladder. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Where's he going? He's go. This has to be the way. This must be... Oh. Oh, shit. Oh my god, he knows I'm here. It's okay. Okay, hide, 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 hide. Whew, I'm okay. Right. Wait. Wait. Did I just go back? Did I just backtrack? Oh, I didn't, did I? Oh no, go back in, go back in. I think I just backtracked. Yep, I definitely just backtracked. Oh, what a moron I am. Alright, sorry, let's go back up here then. Okay, so that was an alternative route. Right, so I need to get up there somehow. Oh, shit. Move along now. Aha! Right, so what about those guards up there? How am I going to get past them? How would I go about distracting them? Do you reckon I could kill this one? Oh no, there's two of them now. If there's only one of them, it'd be fine, but there's two. There's no way I can deal with a garrison like that. So, in that case, I need to go this direction. Okay. How am I going to kill those guys over there? Do you reckon I could kill them with a gun? Stealth gun. The mighty stealth gun. Everybody loves a stealth gun. Oh, hello. Oh no, that's the dagger. Damn it. Damn it. I don't know what I need to do. I'm vaguely baffled and lost. Right. So I need to get in there somehow. But to do that... Oh, wait. I can blend. I forgot about the blendy ability. Okay, it's cool. Right, let's go with these. I don't know where they're going, but hopefully they're going in there somewhere. So, blending. If we're blended, they can't see us. I completely forgot about the blend ability, so stupid.